How not to sail. Screwing up is part of cruising. Let me show you how. Yar.
Okay, I've got 3 brilliant but related how not to sail points today. Number 1, don't do stuff on the boat that you can do on shore because stuff will fall in the water. Number 2, don't be stupid. And number 3, if you keep persevering, eventually you will get it done. Maybe. So after lugging the dinghy from the truck onto the boat, I got out the new inflator kit and promptly lost a piece over the side that may or may not have been very important. That goes to point number 1. Don't do anything on your boat that you can do ashore where things don't fall in the water. Nonetheless, I took the inflator kit and the remaining parts and started to inflate the dinghy. But as soon as I removed the hose, this happened. Much cursing ensued. But then I realized something. The previous owner of the dinghy, the awesome Ed Ramsey, had tied the little pieces that go over the hole there together so they wouldn't be lost. A wise move. What I forgot is there are 2 pieces that are tied to the thing there, and you put the first one in to avoid the air leaking out. When you put this first one in, the hose actually fits now and everything works fine. And there you go. Looking good. And now with the help of the Admiral and the spare halyard, we're going to launch her. Perseverance. Keep it rolling and I'll edit.
What am I trying to get?
You installing these things.